Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily get back Siri Classic in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. If you prefer the familiar Siri experience instead of the new Siri AI interface in iOS 27, Apple lets you switch back to Siri Classic in just a few taps on supported devices. So whether you want a simpler voice assistant, faster responses for everyday tasks, or you are not ready to use the new AI-powered features, changing back to Siri Classic is quick and easy. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to choose the Screen Time option. Then you have to select Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then ensure that its toggle is active. After that, you have to tap on Siri and ensure that Siri Classic is selected, and that's all there is to it. If you prefer the original Siri experience, switching back to Siri Classic can be a better choice for everyday use. Siri Classic offers a familiar interface, focuses on core voice assistant functions like making calls, sending messages, setting reminders, controlling smart home devices, and answering basic questions, while avoiding the additional AI-powered features introduced in iOS 27. Some users may also find the classic experience simpler, less distracting, or better suited to their needs, especially if they don't regularly use Apple's latest AI capabilities. It's worth pointing out that you can switch between Siri Classic and the newer Siri experience whenever you want, giving you the flexibility to use the version that best fits your preferences. Now that you've unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.